Jobe anyameni ko wa tashi program mena wa ba deko ye AD Survey Pro Consulting Shami tashi ni am no yo kan e febu na pe obada ni obi ene po ye survey ni tumo mi wa ke ake survey ni ko current situation we face as Ghanaians ke Africans alo Ghana bi fe nuka won ya attention wala le aba afa demolition akumoma ya twin ke ni ekole beni eno amatwe ye o afa proper consulting ni aba kewa ke bi ene lole gbeton je bi ene pipe kan bi ene light pole ye bi mena tashi plug into e benke AD surveying pro shiami mena akoba gbasane ye surveying no tumo yi shinu mu ani obi ke e powa maso mo lente e introduce ye tashi plug no wo sane gba o ke ba ne gbe no mo fa no ja plug
Fine, me hang on money. I told me business agete aji. Tesha for me, teshin die. Teshin no ni kase survey ni chumo. Survey anji mi. Ni chumo gbe nji survey pro consulting. Alright.
Alright, but me we survey pro consulting sham. Okay, my brother Ebenezer Ade ye sham. E ke mi survey ni chumo no ni geda. E tun a ni boy me na ba pele office bana ye teshin akpanda national to call the gun square no do for you mat Kenya. Junction can beg up and the cock when training your opposite. In bad I can many of Basan surveying. No surveying. Man be Pierre surveying. So I don't understand. I hear sport Virgin Lands come they don't have no idea of what surveying is. Often or what's money or bala me a man be what surveying and Kazakh like surveying. You want a gamini, I mean, I can surveying a miniature.
Survey or one to watch one G. I feel land registration.
Okay.
Or feel searches.
Okay.
The searches say, go Irish bone. As I never went to no surveyor, look like Irish bone.
Okay.
Konya picky, can you pick a coordinator, Umusu. Now, go pick it down. So, no, you are going to have your official search. Can't feel official. I mean, your own official.
Okay.
Go a feed down. But more than for a mortgage search with time. Mortgage search engine, companies like real estate be here.
Okay.
Sometimes I make a store here alone. Now make a man quality.
Okay.
I make a man quality. Oh, mortgage search go off here in the back of a show. Company near explain again. I can explain half bank 10 years.
Okay.
It was 5 years. I call my 5 years no much to attack back on bank and by like say explain. Nika ba kuma uchu nka time enwe company we ejemi ona ale don ona no wa dale sa no sa abu o na eko no expon ye ko
okay
wo miss money ko ba fi search wa expon ye he ko even though you trust the person you trust all the 100% ba famous search say go dey true first.
Alright, you know where you made mention of official and unofficial search. Alojela na of an mass mono bala me because official and unofficial we are not in the surveying field or no one to ba. A lot of us we are innocent in wa here of an official and unofficial me the difference any other.
Okay, unofficial calculate on your site plan again.
Alright.
Or am back coordinator no your box any. Okay. No. Na kwa wo shiteno na ba kwe aga so na megbe yo de me family gbe le yo mi ni aba anma shi anma aka so kakule ayi men sample 1976 anma no anma yi men sample shi no shi anma ba official anma ka je beni sponge ka 1976 44 any sponge ka ja yi men sanje eba ni kobla je eba jije aba anma fe ni no aba sign aba seal aba stamp no ba ko no ya court ba unofficial no ko no court.
Okay.
Ke ba
she unofficial at least no enyo claim o shpo ham.
Unofficial claim is shpo ham official no ba na no ba claim is shpo ga show. Ihe alon ka hi.
Okay. Onu asking survey ni jumo na ni etu won ke asking layman to mo me ke ne ko le ihe na go ni bu ayi na ya to shpo few and for me to reach a surveyor, is it expensive?
It's expensive, but not that expensive. Ejila was just carton.
Alright. To call Ejila was just carton. What are the benefits of me involving surveyor into acquiring my land? Okay.
No warning for no question. No warning. Enyake no surveyor. Obanya iskon ya dodowa.
Okay.
Banya iskon ya pampram.
Okay.
Banya iskon ya okushibiade. Ko he no o fere ko no o ya peska o bonjuma o le aka shipo aka shispon e ne yo kanu dugbandio lo gba na ho abonjo o le
okay
no one nya ko sofia ba ya ko sofia te sofia ba pick site ne ba fe search se abo ke te to aka so te tru shi ya peska
alright
ke spon te ba mbi bo ska ka pe wan si de ha me make sure so shi search gbe na me ha bo e ni search na fe o ete pepe
alright
Kete me before
you make payment.
Over half a payment. No project I pay more half.
Okay.
Ko pay half a time. About certified plan able.
Okay.
Certified plan by assembly say.
Okay.
Look ban harm.
Alright.
And I'm about approval.
Okay.
Yeah. All right.
Oh, you know to know you are in actually involving a surveyor before you acquire a land there. It saves us a lot, even though sometimes expensive to know you are expensive to the extent because get or lose it will be more expensive.
Yes.
It's okay or involve surveyor more. Then it will back check because sometimes if you get 20 years, one knows you go any account definitely
yes.
So get or involve surveyor the only more was a cut short.
Yes.
Okay, well, no, on your bush. On what surveying to come on reach out to me at least over 2 surveying to how would the person get to reach you?
Oh, fine. In a man 0549
Okay.
53 8461 0549 53 8461 ni yeni yo won be laje mo injection Akpanja Junction I look only Akpanja Junction but type more Parliament Park.
Okay.
Course the man Obana.
What I guess we're testing no testing Akpanja Junction Parliament Park opposite. When soon you are
should in case you know by Spon go by Spon naturally you fair investigations because scan okay skada
okay
can one see the police scanning for more investigations here around bibia show but my Spon ni mine and who's in no ano ya hello be mo ya hello ka e ko lenim ko ya ron ba ya ke ban kwali shika obi ne ko le mo advice mo no both way no appear back to police case when police are only call page ka won hamo I retain this car about to go ni bo sumo about ka shikpo no na kan
location ko kra
no page no to ma Kenya
asinu we ikaya ge sanegba mi o hani ile akeshi to mo ekole ke o papa e ya shikpo ke fon heko ni ke document e fe evaluation ni se bi tafa che yo wa ichele ni ole eni shikpo yo ni akọ document e ke ba chogbe o ba nyu allocate shikpo e Ghana na e fe ani mini anu kwale yo le sanegba ni
ofan nje anu kwale ofan
chomo no ni yo
ke shikpo ele kan Ghana fe apart from ko Ghana ye we adi side ba ele kan fe ko document e ba ni site plan e me lo le ni kan de ko ko le dodowa e adan so ole ni shikpo na buyo ko ke ba wa Africa ni be coordinator ba o ke le me wa ya no wa to document o point bien fe ba true
okay ben mu ani leta shesha me survey Akpanja ni e po survey ni tumo ke che ni de na aja to ka survey agba afakra agba fun lo le gbete na baba ke si bi ene site chi abatu tumo ha wodo no dey you no ja ke si ke even o family property ko kan si ni wo lo e kan si ni ya le ye ni sipon kan alo ni ba locate sipon ke o chi obenkele ye bi ene efe ni sipon kan Ghana ma na mi e ba locate sipon ha ni ba tun ni husu na pepe ye ke dami mount efe ni sipon bo yo de nche ke ni ba de ba locate sipon ha ni o de bo amore ni chi anya benka ebi surveying pro consulting company I'm a ward sinu we osmo ni wa afọ ke o wa kwe current state matter na minute 30 29 Ghana will experience disaster ni mokala ka shi e ko happen ko ye Ghana now because you know ni happen in mass just few portion with the whole country better into distraction try to no net get wipe away no what time we are innocent ke wa shipon wona shipon to dry land e ko mani e dry kan na be na shipon ka shi ni e smooth ni ona no job bo e she all of a sudden no ha dey shi ake akuto na me flood ni e feel what magically because we don't believe or why expect ya get what happen mo ke mo ko ba tebo akọ esipon ha le yeko ni o te site o wanye o determine ake bi ene flat free area ni
mfano wonyo ofio na kai
ni no ni temo na gari bi
ona obana
okay
cause sign ko me dem side no obana ka show
okay meaning nga wo yo ke ha me ni am he osipon ye ke flat areas ni alo
nga wo fio pani yonji mi pa ye fine ke ko le nya esipon cause spon fin spon demarcation teshin bien demarcation bien nungwa ekuya bien spinters efia ekuya jeme o me pa fa ke na spon ni ni na ka shin akanya ya gota here ni kama ka dabi even though the price are too city point ni ka pana ni demarcation say ni yo no one ni assembly say ye jeme ke me bi ye jeme no one ka wo matu am ko ba ka so wo produce permit sa no na me e waka me aka o ya na me o matu enta na me nkumole ko ya ka shia ambe suba ame suba ko so na me feel correct na me feel ka wo me nkumoni e bo ba dwene ko le na me feel ehin batu ame ko sa me ya me tashi ye office aka sha mentation ma nkumo olibi dabi demarcation si e fian eko e waka o matu ye ko no aka sha ma produce permit pe ya na me ko na me abo permit na ga sho tune no ma e o a permit e no ke matu ba me kuma ya kama me gatai kama me bi ene o kan monye kama che government for ko di government ni spon abo ko spon no here se ni bo na ga sho e no yo e hin ba film na e wo ni de la wa e wo ko ya pi o en pa e fa den ko ade gbegbe side mi pa e fa
yo be no ni ni wo ni yo AB Survey Pro consulting e chon no ja ke si ka e si gon keke bo jo ka den sky e si ni ko consulting surveyor pe di money ba na ke wa ke si fun any kan eyin lo le gbe ni nujo ni alo government land ni surveyor pe ni ma na ke wo ti o be ke amele teshin ya ni ke o to ni a pick o si kan ha bo den che am available na ma na fi ne ke ni to mo na fi ha mo nya wa do internship program no on wish mo fe money ne ke disaster na e ko so here sorry she next time ke nya ba he su ko ni ba mo de nya cha nya ben ka surveyor kuni surveyor e advice na nya fee payment for the land never buy internship program okay was an ba e banali she mass money no more than e chon barely time ke hours na work your be any because that na mba be na ka she office is open ni space dey mo fe money e yo eto surveyor ba nya che ben ka she no mass money bo na jo chon me time ke bi am no ochu woni e be any
o fa na nya time ni ochu woni ke Monday ka wa Saturday ke lebi 8:30 ka wa beke 6 o'clock e wo fa na rado.
All right, so I become working hours from Monday to Saturday, lebi 8:30 to back at 6 p.m. I'm trying to see every day I'm here and weekdays I'm here I'm a short time, a long time, a full day I'm trying to or now what you have come teaching gone to school Panja Junction to here I don't mass money other I'm a Charlie I'm saying wrong purchasing of properties here I run a internship program.